Morning. Today we have a Icon that is available for resale. It is a 1974. It is build number 121. It is a new school design package, volcanic black Icon FJ44. So we'll take you on a test drive, explain the details, show you around. It's a really nice truck. Great opportunity for the right person. Let's do this. So what I think is really nice about this truck is it's actually been driven, it's been used, but never used. It remains in super tight condition. It's been well cared for, routinely detailed. It's been in a nice climate, so really no drama to be seen here. It's sort of the quintessential new school, being that it's in the volcanic black finish with the Chilowich interior. Just has that sort of industrial monochromatic situation going on. And it's a really lovely truck. We finished it back in, I think it was late October in 2017. And then we really didn't hear anything other than thank yous and praise until the truck came back for resale. Sat for a while because our service department is a bit backed up, but we just finished combing through it and servicing it. Didn't find anything messed up or funky, but we did, what did we do? We did new tires. We freshly repowder coated the wheels. We replaced the steering box with our current purveyor of boxes, much better, I think, than the one that was originally on the truck. We did oil and filter change. We did a transfer case fluid flush and fresh. Same with the transmission. Replaced the engine air filter, adjusted the doors, added a couple new door seals that we've learned through production that improve wind noise, and it just seemed like the right thing to do. We retorqued the suspension, retuned it, recharged the nitrogen. The amplifier had failed, so we upgraded that and replaced it, recharged the AC, and did an alignment. Other than that, it was like simple stuff like finding rattles and getting rid of them. That's pretty much it. I mean, it's a really strong example at a great price. The current build cost in something like this would likely crest about $300,000, and the wait times are just under a year as of today. Truck is very well optioned, so it doesn't have the seat heaters, but if you wanted to add those, we could certainly do that for you. It's not that invasive to do. It does have the two forward-facing captain's chairs plus the folding jump seats in the rear. The suspension on it is the older version, the Fox Racing suspension, which is really quite lovely. I have no complaints about that. Going to the rear of the truck, it has our dual pivot carrier class 2 bumper. It has the bull bar in the front with the integrated fog lights. This particular truck is not fit with the winch, but we could certainly retrofit one in there for you. Wouldn't be a big deal at all. But if you're not going to use it, why bother? Features our 7-ply Hartz Canvas German soft top. As I mentioned before, it has the OEM BMW Marine rated vinyl with Chilowich inserts on the front 4 seats. Third row is all the BMW OEM vinyl, and the floor mats are the Chilowich with the hidden layer of Dynamat and then rubber backed on the rear. It has our elevated audio system with the Pioneer NEX series head unit. It has reverse camera. Of course, it has heat and AC. They all do. It has our optional door map pockets as well as the optional fire extinguisher. There are no cargo map pockets in the back. The client, after receiving the truck, did add a high lift jack to the rearmost cross pillar of the soft top. I'm removing it. Those things suck and they rattle. It bugs me. it might bug you. So I'm killing it unless you want it. I'm happy to include it, as well as the brackets that came with it. The tires that we just put on were our current preferred tire, the Toyo Open Country All-Terrain. Yada, yada, yada. I think that really pretty much covers it. If you have any questions, reach out. This truck should sell pretty quick. It's quite rare for an Icon FJ to come up on the market. And we're super happy to represent it and show it to you today. So there you go. Be well.